Hey guys, my name is Jessica Espinal. My last field placement was at Carolina Treatment Center, which is a substance abuse treatment clinic. So we worked with patients who have opiate use disorders mainly, and it was MAT, so it was medicated assisted treatment, along with counseling services. The last job that I actually had was in foster care. So that was up in New York about a year ago. In foster care, I worked more closely with families. In my internship, I worked more just at the individual level on one individually. Um, let's see. So the basic structure of my family, I come from a very close-knit family. I'm Hispanic. I have one brother, and I was raised by both my parents. Um, Growing up, I mean, we had a pretty decent family. I've always had all of my needs met. I've never really suffered much trauma per se. Um, no domestic violence in the home. Everything was pretty normal growing up. Um, so the role that I played in my family, I was always the youngest. So I was like the baby in the family, but I feel like I also played the role of being a mediator in the family. So anytime there was like an argument or something or something came up, I was always the one that was there to sit people down and kind of talk to them. All right, what are we gonna do? Or talk to one person and see their perspective, and then talk to, like, for example, I'll talk to my mom, and then I'll go and I'll talk to my dad, and then try to help them fix their problems, pretty much. So, the last question is any burning questions that I have. I would probably say I would want to know and understand more nowadays new family structures, because now I know we're in a modern era where we do have like the LGBTQ community, so, and it's again modern families, so I would definitely want to broaden my knowledge on new upcoming families, and I hope to learn a lot from this course. See you guys.